Hello folks, welcome to my YouTube channel Bonsai Pink City. This is a pine tree and it's a nursery stock. I bought it for around 20 US dollars. Pine trees are broadly used for bonsai as they have very fine small leaves which are in shape of needles. It is a very hardy plant and frankly you can turn your pine tree bonsai in different shapes or almost all the known bonsai shapes. Common pine species used for bonsai are Japanese black pine, white pine, and Scots pine. In this video, we are going to do the first styling of this plant, and in this process we will be going through hard pruning, cleaning of the plant, wiring, removing root bound and repotting. This plant got nice potential. As you can see, this is a very bushy plant with a thick trunk line. I'm going to shorten the trunk because it's too high in proportion of the trunk size. I'm removing some leaves from the branch to give it a natural look. As we have removed most of the foliage, it's time for wiring. You can take off 1/3 of the foliage while hard pruning. Try to wire two branches with the same wire to give it a better support. Wire should be strong enough to bend the branches. Now we can shorten the branches to bring the plant into shape. Here I am trying to create some gap between the branches so they can be seen individually. If you notice two branches coming from the same point, you can keep the stronger one with more potential and remove the other one. You can also remove the growth which is growing downwards. Let's talk about pine tree care. Pine trees are very hardy in nature. You should always place your pine bonsai outdoors as they prefer sunny position. You should water your bonsai whenever you feel the topsoil is getting dry. Never overwater your pine, else the root starts to rot. Make sure you use a well-draining soil mixture to prevent overwatering and root rot. Misting your bonsai with cold water also keeps them fresh and healthy. Now it's time for repotting. Pine should be repotted in spring season. I'm removing the topsoil to expose a thicker trunk and some natural old roots. I'm trimming extra roots and now I will remove the root bound with the help of a knife. It will increase the growth of the plant and in future we can shift it in a small pot. Now I have added some extra soil and I am putting the plant back into the pot. Try not to leave any air gaps while repotting. We have discovered such a beautiful root shape under the soil. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like the video and see you in my next video. If you like the content, show your support by liking and subscribing my channel.